Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So today we are making fresh instant cassava fufu from scratch at home. You don't need any fermentation process for this method. So you start by peeling your cassava. So after peeling, you dice it into little chunks so that it will be easier to blend. You need a strong blender for this. You don't need a lot of water for this. You just need enough to aid the blending process. If you add too much water, you'll end up with a watery fufu at the end of the day. So just add enough to blend it. So I'm just going to blend everything till it's a very smooth consistency. So I blended everything in 2 batches and this is what we have. So this is where the real work starts. You start turning it until, well, I'll show you what it will look like when it's done. You just turn and keep turning on a low heat. So we are gradually getting there. As you can see, it's becoming thicker and more sticky. So we are just going to cover it now. Add a little bit of water, cover it and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes on a very low heat. After steaming it for 5 minutes, you are just going to turn it once more to make sure that everything is well combined. This is ready to be served and you can enjoy it with any soup of your choice. I enjoyed mine with groundnut soup. And I'll be posting the recipe right after this video. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Bye.